Hi, welcome back to another crochet tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show with you how to crochet a neck warmer. Some of you just prefer a written pattern, so I also have that. I'll put the link in the description box below so you can just grab it. If you want to use the same yarn, I'll put the link in the description box below for you to easily find it. So I'm gonna use this yarn right here and 7mm hook. So you can use 6mm hook also, since suggested hook is 6 to 7mm hook. If you want to make a hat, you will need 120 gram for this. So one of these is 50 gram, okay? You can wash this for 30° only. And this is a 70% polyacrylic and 30% cotton made in Europe. 50 gram equal to 55 meter only. And this is the name of the yarn if you want to use the same yarn. And this is the color right here. So to begin in this project, make a slip knot. Place your yarn over your pinky finger and wrap your 3 middle finger 3 times. 2 times, 1 and 2. And then with your thumb finger and your index finger, hold it there and fold your pinky finger like this to hold or to control the yarn here, okay? And now grab your hook, place your hook under the yarn, twist it 180°. Now you are back in place. Yarn over or place your hook under the yarn and pull through in that loop in the hook. And pull your index finger. This is how I always make my slip knot. Okay, and now make a chain of 60. And then yarn over and pull through. That's our first chain. Yarn over and pull through. That's our second chain. Go ahead, make a chain of 60, and I'm gonna meet you once I'm done making it. And here I have a chain of 60. And now what we're going to do is we're going to make a slip knot, but make sure you're not going to twist this one here, our chains. And insert your hook in the very first chain, which is this one right here. So insert your hook right there, the very first chain, like that. And then grab your yarn and yarn over and pull through in that loop in the hook to close our round 1. We can adjust the number of chain here by adding more chain. Round 2, we're going to make chain 3. So yarn over and pull, yarn over and pull, yarn over and pull. That is our first double crochet. Okay, and now in the very first chain, we're going to skip that, and in the next chain, we're going to make 1 double crochet like this. Yarn over, insert your hook in the second chain after skipping this chain, and then in the next chain, insert your hook, yarn over and pull. You will have 3 loops in the hook. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. That is our second double crochet. Chain 3 is count as our first double crochet. And we're going to repeat that 1 double crochet per chains all the way around. Total of 60 double crochet total, okay? So make 1 double crochet in each of the chain. So go ahead, repeat that, and I'm gonna meet you once I'm done. So here I am in my last chain. I'm going to make my last double crochet right there, making sure you're counting your number of double crochet, which is 60 double crochet in total. Here, this is our slip stitch. This is not included as a stitch. So we're gonna go count 3 chains. So 1, 2, and 3. And there you're going to insert your hook, yarn over, and pull through in that loop in the hook to close round 2. And there you go. This is your round 2. We are working in circle right here. Round 2, chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. And here in the second double crochet, not the chain 3 but the next double crochet, this one, we're going to make 1 back post double crochet like this. yarn over, insert your hook in the back post only like this, and lifting that previous double crochet up. So as you can see, we are only inserting our hook in the back. Okay, again like this, insert your hook, and like this, that is back post, and make your double crochet, yarn over and pull 3 loops in the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. That is our first back post double crochet, and then make 1 back post double crochet again in the next previous double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook in the back post, lifting the previous double crochet up, yarn over and pull, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Make 2 double crochet in the next 2 stitches, yarn over, insert your hook in the next stitch, which is this one, yarn over, make 1 double crochet and 1 double crochet in the next stitch, and we're going to repeat this pattern, 2 back post double crochet in the next 2 stitches, and then 2 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. Now after 2 double crochet, we're going to make the 2 back post double crochet in the next 2 previous double crochet. So we're going to insert your hook like this in the back post and make 1 double crochet, one back post double crochet in the next previous double crochet, and 2 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. And this is our pattern, repeating this. Do that all the way around. So here I am in my last double crochet in the previous round, and we'll just make 1 double crochet right there, this one, and we are done with round 3. Make a slip stitch in the 3rd chain, 1 2 3, insert your hook right there, yarn over and pull through in that loop in the hook to close round 3. And there you go, this is it. We're just going to repeat that pattern, the round 3, all the way up. So we should have here 60 stitches in total. We should end up with normal double crochet, not in the back post, since we have here a chain 3. So we are alternating 2 double crochet and then 2 back post double crochet. I'm gonna repeat round 3, okay, but it's up to you how long you want or how many rows you want to add, as long as you are following the pattern in round 3. Round 4, chain 3, 1 2 and 3. So here I will just repeat round 3, making 1 back post double crochet in the previous back post double crochet, inserting your hook in the back post, lifting your previous back post in the back post, always at the back, yeah, and then make a double crochet. And then in the next back post double crochet, make a back post double crochet. This 2 double crochet in the next 2 stitches, 1 and 1 more in the next stitch, 2. So this is our pattern, and I repeat this however long you want it. So just to remember, you should always end up with a 1 double crochet in the last stitch, and you always have 60 stitches in total in each row, and this stitch here is not included. This is a slip stitch in the previous round, so you're not gonna take that as a stitch. This is your last stitch, and then you're going to count 3 chain, and then you make a slip stitch here on the top, and then you're done in the row, and then you repeat again. And then make a few knots, insert your hook right here, just in the first stitch, and then make it in a half, and then yarn over and pull with that other half and make a few knots. Or you can hide the rest of this inside. It's up to you where is your inside and where is your outside. So I will just grab like this here. to hide the rest of this yarn. Just cut that. This is a total of around 26 in total, 15.5 inches long, 11.5 inches wide. It's up to you if you want to add more or just leave it like this. So what I do is I light the other area because of the result of the back post double crochet, as you can see. So I'm gonna fold it in half to make it really warm. So that's why I make it longer. The purpose of this is to make it really warm in a really cold time. It's really thick. So that's it for my video. Thank you. Bye.